Hi everyone, welcome to Lucid Tutorials and I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the background from an image with just one click using the Preview app and create a new image with a different background. If you have ever needed to edit an image quickly and easily, but didn't have access to more advanced editing software, then you are in luck. The Preview app, which comes pre-installed on all Mac computers, allows you to remove an image background with just one click. I am currently using macOS Ventura. Let's get started. To begin, I'll open the Preview app by clicking on my image and selecting Open with Preview. To extract the background of your image, go to the Tools menu and select Remove Background from the drop-down menu. As you can see, a white outline starts to move around the edge of the subject in the image. This is the part that will remain, and the rest of the image will be removed. Next, click Convert to convert the image to PNG format. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphic. Its main advantage is that it allows you to specify a transparent background, like in this photo. Now, let's add the image to a different background. First, I copy the image. And then paste it into a new background. Once you are happy with the result, you can save it and use it on your website, social media, or for your presentation. What else can we do with this photo? If you have a similar photo, you can easily crop it and paste it into your resume or use it for your ID. To crop your image, click the Show Markup toolbar. Next, click Selection Tools. Choose Rectangular Selection and drag a selection around the part of the image you want to keep. Once you are happy with your selection, click the Crop button in the toolbar. Or press the Command and K keys on your keyboard to crop it. You can now copy and paste it into your resume. Or you can use it for your ID. It's worth noting that the Preview app can't always do a perfect job when you want to remove the background. Let's open another photo and examine the result. As you can see, it removes some of the pixels from the edge of the hat. And there are no other tools to fix this problem. How about other third-party apps? Can they do a better job? I tried two popular image editors to extract the background from the same image, but none could perfectly remove the background. Here are the results. Some pixels have disappeared from the edge of the hat. But the third-party apps have tools that can be used to fix such problems. Let's try a different image and see how the preview app can remove the background. To crop it, click the Show Markup toolbar. Next, click Selection Tools. Choose Rectangular Selection and drag a selection around the part of the image you want to keep. Once you are happy with your selection, click the Crop button in the toolbar or press the Command and K keys on your keyboard to crop it. To save your image with a transparent layer, go to the File menu and select Export. Then from the Format menu, select PNG. And make sure the alpha is selected. The alpha channel handles transparency. Finally, click Save. This time, I'll save the image without checking the alpha channel. Let's see the difference. I'll copy and paste these images onto this yellow background. The image on the left has an alpha channel, while the one on the right doesn't have an alpha channel, therefore is not transparent. I will now copy and paste the butterfly into a different background to create a new image. Once I am satisfied with the result, I'll save it for future use. This was how to remove the background from your images quickly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to support my channel, and receive notifications about upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.